One OU researcher is preparing for seismic testing that really has never been done before.
Yeah, she's out in California for the project and plans to bring groundbreaking information back home to Oklahoma. News 9's Christy Lewis joins us now with the story. Christy?
Kelly, Amanda, the information this OU professor will learn from these tests could change the way buildings in the United States withstand earthquakes. Now that Oklahoma has become a hot spot for seismic activity, things knocked from shelves, cracks surfacing at homes, this OU researcher is making it her mission to make buildings earthquake resistant.
Underneath this where I'm standing.
So Amy Serrato, a civil engineering professor, is at the most powerful shake table in the United States. Under this 15-foot tall box full of sand is a mechanical earthquake of sorts with a 40 million pound payload. And next week, she'll start her experiment to see how foundations made of steel helical piles hold up.
Think of them as kind of soil screws. So you put these soil screws in the ground and you build your house right on top of those soil screws, so no concrete. And then when the earthquake happens, it shakes those piles and they dampen the earthquake motion.
The 6-week-long test will simulate the weight of a building on top of these foundation piles to see how they react to shaking, up to 8.5 magnitude. It's data engineers in the U.S. have never had their hands on before, so Serrato hopes this new information will help protect homes and people from the ever-increasing earthquake threat.
It would actually give people time to get out of the building before the building would be destroyed.
And she has a blog and a live stream to keep up with all of her work on this test. And we have a link to that on news9.com. Live on the OU campus, Christy Lewis, News 9.